So guys, let's see, does it... Oh my god, guys, as you can see, it's actually generating our coins up to 100k as we ordered. So let me click get coins, so we make sure, guys, it's legit. So as you can see, guys, we got our balance. So let me show you how you can actually get this amazing amount of coins for your official TikTok app using this small TikTok plus app, guys. Before we open this app, you want to make sure that your low power battery saver or anything you call it is off. So quickly turn off your battery saver mode before we open TikTok app. So as you can see, it's TikTok tool. So everything we want here is to select our current device platform, and we will enter our TikTok username. My backup profile was movie lobby, I guess. Yeah. And we want to select our amount of coins, so I will go with maximum, as you saw, guys. So before we click send, we want to make sure that our TikTok app is up to date. So click there, and as you can see, it's up to date and ready for use. If it's not for you, make sure you download the latest version. So let's click send. It should be quick because its server works are great, guys. Oh my god, as you can see, guys, it said success open TikTok app. As you saw, that's the way how I got my coins for my TikTok app. So guys, how to download this? So go to this website, it's called twixen.com, and search down below, and there it is, TikTok click there, guys. And everything we have to do here is to click download blue button, and it will start downloading. If you need any help, you can click there and go to these links depending on your device version. So if you're Android, you will have a guide how to download this and install. So click there, and let's wait a little bit until it goes to 100%, guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a really simple tutorial, guys, and I just wanted to share with you how I got 100k coins, so you can do it as well. It's really easy. Get it until it gets patched. So that's what I have to say. So guys, if you're doing it for the first time, you might get mobile device verification. So guys, you will be asked to download 2 apps or to do 2 questionnaires. Simply go through this process, read their instructions, and simply verify your mobile device version. It's really simple and safe, guys. That's how I downloaded this amazing app. So thank you so much for watching. If you need any help, please reach me down in the comments. I will be there. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.